Many people see Kuya Daniel Razon as one of today's icons in the field of broadcast journalism. Undoubtedly, his golden voice, his wit, and his profundity have earned him the distinction over the rest. But for us, Kuya Daniel is more than just a radio and TV personality. For us, he epitomizes hard work and dedication, magnanimity and selflessness. Service to God and to his fellow men has become his way of life. Not known to many, in his youth, while the other guys of his age were engaged in merrymaking, he was already doing some odd jobs, like selling bananas, grating coconuts, and even driving a taxi cab, all in his earnest desire to earn and to be of help. When God blessed him with a lucrative career in broadcasting, it just afforded him the opportunity to help more and to give more to anyone in need. He has become everybody's Kuya in its truest sense. As you celebrate your 31st year of service to God and humanity, we wish you only the best. May God continually shower you with blessings, which in turn you unselfishly share with others, not just in their material needs, but most especially in their spiritual needs. We thank God for giving us a Kuya like you.
Humuhuli ang simoy ng hangin, dalay himig ng pag-ibig. Pasko'y binigyan ng kakaibang sigla, dahil kahit sandali kapiling kayo. Halina't salubungin ang yakap, ang saya. Maslit na mata, kumikislap sa tuwa, mga ngiting kay tamis ang aming langit. Puso'y walang tigil sa pag-awit. Kami naman nasko sa inyong mga puso, dalhin na ang pagmamahal na regalo, dahil ang bawat batang Pilipino kapuso namin ngayong Pasko. Ngumingiti ang aming puso kapag hawak ang kamay nyo. Pasko'y binigyan ng kakaibang sigla, dahil kahit sandali kami puso na